Hi, welcome to TVCS. I'm Tanveer. Today I'm here for explaining the sharp difference between element, compound, molecules, and atoms. In these natures, with your normal eyes, you may see lot of materials in front of you, right? And this is the fact scientists have taken every materials in a laboratory and have discovered the secret properties of each materials. The secret of water H2O, there is two hydrogen, one oxygen. So two elements have been found. Sodium chloride salt have been taken into a laboratory, and last of all sodium and chlorine have been discovered. So in this way, in front of our eyes, lot of product and scientists have discovered. But it is very interesting that whatever the product, but the main element or main atoms, just 118 element. So this whole world, especially the earthly materials, have been originated from 118 element. But exactly the main secret of this product is not element, moreover atoms, because element also product where the same types of ingredients are available, and compound also product where 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 types of ingredients, 7 types of materials are existing. Our human body, there are several number of elements found: sodium, potassium, iron. Okay, I'm not just going there. Giving an example, I have told that like other materials, salt also are materials. My today's topic is salt and chlorine. Okay, I am focusing only one materials, and I try to explain the difference between all these four issues. Sodium chloride. Basically sodium chloride, but empirical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Okay, and you know that sodium in periodic table, sodium basically 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last of all 1. I mean sodium, total reality of sodium 2, 8, 1. This is the system of electronic configuration. I'm not going there. But in a last shell, there is 1. And this is the capabilities of sodium. In periodic table, sodium has been written in this way: downside 11, upside 23, perhaps, I've forgotten. Okay? And why have I told that? Periodic table is the main talk of the all nature. Because in periodic table, the atom sodium has been written. This atom is a neutral atom because here number of electron 11, which are existing outside, and number of proton which is existing inside of the sodium, both are equal. So sodium is exposing the natural attitudes. Our human body is not exposing current. Number of proton and electron are same. In any situation, if electron become more or less, that become very furious, aggressive, that is ion. So what is the difference between atoms and ion? In periodic table, whatever the element you watch, these all are atoms. Ions mean bit dissatisfied, mean it has more or less. Okay, mean preparedness of attacking someone. In this society, don't take it otherwise. The poor people in periodic table, you see that the first three line has a mentality of giving, and last four line has a mentality of receiving. Because 1, 2, 3, the first three group have mentality of giving, because this sodium has outer. Okay, on the other hand, I'm not going there. Chlorine. Chlorine, the configuration is chlorine is like that. The chlorine, this is 2, second one is 8, and third one is 8. Okay, the total chlorine 17, 2, 8, and last one is 7, sorry. So the configuration of chlorine is like this. First one is 2, second line is 8, and last line is 7. So last line 7, I told that the fact of chlorine is written in the periodic table like this, that chlorine downside there is 17. This is the main talk. Upside 35.5, basically 35. So what is chlorine? Chlorine downside is 17, and upside is mass number 35. So this 17 is today's discussion, because this is applicable. You are watching that this chlorine is a normal chlorine because it has equal number of electron and equal number of proton. But this chlorine, the number of proton is 17, and electron also 17. But this is the picture of this in the periodic table. All are picture, and this is the in periodic table. Whatever the picture you watch, these are the picture of tiger, mean never attack people. But in a real world, chlorine exists. The outside chlorine has a 1 lakh. Every outer shell of any atoms like to be octet, fulfillment, mean either 2 or 8 or 18. Mean there is a formula 2n square. I'm not going there. Mean the shell, outer shell has a mentality of becoming fulfilled. So as outer shell of chlorine has 7, so it has mentality of becoming 8. I become astonished who has created this, and how has the secret of the nature giving and taking mentality have been created. It's a great astonishment, because today's success is in the giving taking mentality. So this sodium has mentality of giving, and this chlorine has mentality of taking. Why? Because it has outer shell, it has 7, and here outer shell has 1. This one is telling, hey brother, this one has no meaning, so I want to go your outer shell and I want to be fulfilled. Okay, and later sodium chloride has been formed. This sodium and chlorine. So in a real world, atom of sodium also ion. Why? It has mentality of giving. And after giving, sodium, I told that sodium proton, inside proton was 11, and outside electron was, after giving, outside electron become 10. So which one is powerful? 11. There are 11 plus and 10 minus. So after giving the Brazil or Argentina, which flag will be there? Because in a family, more number of Brazilian supporter. So obviously over the roof, Brazilian flag will be given. So in this sodium, after giving, the flag as minus has been given, so excessive number of sodium will declare this is positive. Actually, there is no existence of positive or positive. There is existence of negative, because only the giving and taking held in electron, because in every element outer shell is full of electron. There is no giving, plus never would be given or taken. Only the minus would be given or taken. So after giving, the sodium becomes, signboard become plus, and after receiving, now chlorine signboard, more number of electron. Now instead of 17 electron, now chlorine electron is 18 and proton remains same 17. So the signboard of chlorine should be minus. I told that in a family, if more number of Argentina, obviously the flag will be in a big flood. If more number of Argentina, flag will be Argentina, doesn't mean that inside all people are Argentinian. So chlorine receiving the electron, okay, that's a question of ion. I am telling, so sodium chloride, as there is two types of element or two types of atoms, so this is compound. Okay, sodium chloride is a great example of compound. Okay, now I am telling this chlorine, I am just erasing the issues. I have told you sodium chloride, and this is the ionic bonding, because ion has been given and taken. But in some situation, you are watching that chlorine, I told that chlorine, this is 2, this is 8, and this is 7. This is 2, this is 8, this is 8, and last one is 7. 1, 6, 2, 4, 6, and last one 7, 1. Again, chlorine this side, this is 2, this is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last all 1. But that should be cross for understanding this is a different matter. This should be cross. Why dot and cross would be used for the difference? For exposing the differentiation. And this is the cross. You understand? Now chlorine and chlorine, being helpless, chlorine outer shell is telling, brother, I have one lack in outer shell, and you also have lack in outer shell. So if we share in this situation, our outer shell become octet 8. I told that every atom has mentality of becoming 2, 8, 18. Okay, this is the natural phenomena. So now chlorine turn into the Cl2, and this is the example of element, because this is also only chlorine and chlorine. And now I am telling the molecules. You have become clear that compound mean where two or three or more than one element would be existed, that is compound. Example, sodium chloride. Chlorine is a gas where only chlorine and chlorine. Oxygen is a gas where only oxygen and oxygen. But this chlorine also molecules, and that sodium chloride also molecules. I need to explain the molecules. Suppose I would take a crystal of sodium chloride from Cox's Bazar, and this sodium chloride, I start synthesizing, analyzing the sodium chloride. Now sodium chloride tell, sir, if you analyze more than Na2Cl2, I will be turned into sodium and chlorine. I mean, molecules is the last existence of a materials of or compound or element. I mean, molecules would exist in compound and element in both. Molecules is the last phase with the test. I mean, if I bring one crystal, what is this called? Crystal or one piece of salt from the Cox's Bazar, still if you taste the salt, there is a taste of salt. But if you synthesize, if you analyze salt anymore, it will, sir, I am becoming sodium and chlorine. You never get the taste of salt. So Na2Cl2, this is the molecules of sodium chloride. Okay, mean last situation with the quality characteristics, this is the called molecules. That could be either in compound or in element. So molecules is the last phase of an existence. That could be element or compound. And existence as molecules is the last phase of existence. So this is also could be imagined, defined as formula. Why? Because here there is a Na2Cl2 and this is formula. We become confused. London, UK, Great Britain, England. No. There are capital, country, great region, many situations. So molecules is the last phase of element and compound. Element and compound also can define as materials, because element also materials but same type of materials. Compound also materials but different type of, when different types of ingredient, element combined it together, that is compound. So compound element, these are clear to every student, but molecules, little number of students understand molecules. Molecules is the status, situation where the characteristics, the quality exist either in, that could be element, last condition of element also molecule, where there is a test. Okay, chlorine, suppose chlorine, which is for used for purification. Chlorine is a gas. If you synthesizing Cl2, chlorine will tell, sir, if you analyze more, I will be turned into Cl. And I will go to the in the symbol of periodic table, because in periodic table only the picture of cow, dog, different types of animal are drawn. These are inactive picture. So Cl, outer shell 7 and total 17. This is predetermined. This is fixed. These are the factual issue. Sodium 11, downside 11, total 23. These are the factual issue. Don't think these has been written by someone with imagination. No. This 17, this 11, like this, you all the situation of all atoms of the periodic table have to be halfly memorized. Why? Because you have to respect with salutation. These are the natural phenomena, have been taken from the nature by a scientist. Okay? So these 11 predetermined, created by scientists from the nature, not created, discovered. This 11 is predetermined, this 17 is predetermined. And when this is in picture of periodic table, that is atom, and when it is ready for fighting, sodium is ready for fighting by giving, and chlorine is ready for fighting by taking. So this is ion. So atoms are 11, ion not same thing. Okay? Atoms is written in the periodic table, ions is ready for fighting, either giving or receiving, and this giving and receiving is the secret of nature. I am not prolonging my video. Thank you very much.